It's me, Mario!
This afternoon, partly sunny. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Carm Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Carm Island, Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Port Tobacco River to 11 nautical miles southwest of Westmoreland State Park, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yoko Miko River, Breton Bay, St. Clements Bay, Westmoreland State Park, Nanjamoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Carm Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Coles Point, Namini Bay, Nafuz Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Pokes Creek, Tall Timbers, Piney Point and Dahlgren. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. And now a special weather statement from your national... The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodworth Island, tidal Potomac from Carm Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:14 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near St. Mary's River to Yokomico River to 17 nautical miles south of Namini Bay, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokomico River, Hooper Island Light, Smith Island, Crisfield, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Nanticoke River mouth, southwest Middle Ground, Ewell, Point Lookout, Tangier Sound, Honga River, Fishing Bay, St. George Island, Point No Point, Bivalve, the Target, Richland Point Buoy and Deal Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The 9 p.m. Locations impacted include Ewell, Tangier Sound, Smith Island, Crisfield, Fishing Bay, Bivalve, Nanticoke River mouth and Deal Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Issued at 9:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Yokomico River to Gwynns Island, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near, hold in the wall around 4:50 a.m. Smith Point and Longs Creek Inlet around 4:55 a.m. Oceanic Reef around 5:10 a.m. San Marcos Wreck around 5:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Nantuapungo Teague Reef around 5:20 a.m. Anglers Reef and Tangier Island around 5:25 a.m. Onencock Inlet and Watts Island around 5:30 a.m. Lower Bernard Island around 5:40 a.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The 4 a.m. area coming south. Forecast later today, followed by a turn toward the north tonight. UNRI is forecast to accelerate toward the north through early next week. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Crom Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 11:30 a.m. At 10:02 a.m., strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Chesapeake Beach to Coles Point, moving east at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and waterspouts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Hooper Island Light, St. Leonard Creek, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Solomon's Island, Cuckold Creek, Town Creek, Point Lookout, Tall Timbers, North Beach, Drum Point, St. George Island, Point No Point, Bears Beach, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, the Targets and Richland Point Buoy. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 8 a.m., over 1,200 UT. Issued at 11:20 a.m. The National Weather Service. Southern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, central Calvert County in southern Maryland, until 7:15 p.m. At 11:20 a.m., local law enforcement reported flooding in the warned area. Calvert County 911 reported that Chesapeake Avenue and Bay Avenue are closed due to flooding. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chesapeake Beach, Beale, Breezy Point, St. Leonard, Huntingtown, Bowling, Friendship, Bears Beach, Port Republic. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Calvert, Maryland,